In a world full of chaos, Stoic philosophy offers us timeless wisdom. Rachel Marie Martin's words echo Stoic principles. Be kind first, give often, be grateful daily, care deeply, and love unconditionally. These five principles can guide us towards a more meaningful life. So it's good to practice kindness, even if it's hard. Give your time, resources, and love without expectation. Reflect on the good things in life, no matter how small they are. Care for others with compassion and empathy, and love without condition. Accept others as they are.